Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us derive a kinematic equation of motion by using calculus. That means by integration, we can derive equation of motion. Now, let u equal initial velocity, v equal final velocity, a equal uniform acceleration, and s equal t equal time taken to the body to travel s distance, and s equal distance traveled. Now we'll derive the equation by using integration. We know that rate of change of velocity equal acceleration therefore we can write rate of change of velocity, you can write like dv by dt, which is equal a. From that we can say dv equal a dt. Integrating both sides, dv with initial velocity u and final velocity v equal a dt with 0 to t limit. Now by integration we are getting here dv integration is v, then with limits of u and v equal a is a constant, take out of integration, and dt integration is t with 0 to t, which gives v. Substituting the limits of v and u, we can get v minus u equal a t minus 0, which is equal v minus u equal at. From that we can get v equal u plus at. This is the first equation of the motion. Now second equation you can write rate of displacement we can say equal rate of change of displacement is equal velocity, we know that. From that we can say ds rate of change of distance, that is velocity, equal, that is ds by dt equal v. From that ds equal v dt. Now already we have u plus at dt. Now integrating both sides, ds of with the limits 0 to s distance equal 0 to t with u dt plus 0 to t a dt. Now ds, having integration of ds is s with the limits of 0 to s equal u dt is ut, u is a constant, and e of 0 to t plus a is a constant, and dt integration is t 0 to t. Therefore s with giving limit s and 0, it becomes s only. Then u t with limit of t and 0 becomes ut plus here also. Here that already here at is there, at dt, that becomes t square by 2. A is a constant, t integration is a t square by 2, so it gives a of t square by 2 with giving limit of 0 on this one, 0 on t. Therefore s equal ut plus half a t square. We get the second equation of motion. Now third one, we know that here distance equal average velocity into time. Now average velocity is v plus u over 2 into t. We can get from the first equation, that is t equal to v minus u over a, which gives, by simplification we get finally s equal, that is v square equal, by cross multiplying and simplifying we get v square minus u square over 2a equal s. From that we can get v square equal u square plus 2as. We got the third equation, 2as. We derived 3 equations of motion. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.